Hello guys, Meridian Colliantes Vlog. So mag-breakfast ta guys, kay mamaya magkumbati naman tayo magluto. So hindi man tayo fasting, kay Christian man tayo guys. So kakain tayo. So ito ang aking breakfast, pizza na egg with potato and carrots and mushroom. So very nice. See? Parang ginawa ko siyang pizza. Oh. Sarap. Kain tayo. Kung naglo-low carb kayo, ito. Yung potato, digrated ko at saka carrots. Gismall ko yung red pepper with mushroom. So, this is my breakfast. With coffee. Sarap siya. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching Meridian Colliantes Vlog.